Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by clearing distractions and unplugging the headset so you don't tug connectors. Lay the cable flat and locate the main knot, the point where multiple loops cross. Once done, gently spread the strands to expose individual crossings. This gives you leverage. Make sure to free any attached inline mic or clip first so they don't hold loops. You'll be ready to attack the tightest crossover next, having already reduced tension and focused on the knot's origin. You now target individual crossings. Pinch one strand near the knot and tease it free rather than pulling the whole cable, because that tightens adjacent loops. Once you loosen a crossing, push that strand through to reduce bulk. Use a pin or needle carefully for stubborn spots, sliding it alongside the insulation to ease friction. As you work, make sure to alternate sides and keep the freed lengths laid out straight. This prevents the knot from reforming and makes the next crossings simpler to access. You finish by smoothing the entire cable and coiling it loosely in a figure-8 or gentle loop to prevent future tangles. Once coiled, secure with a small twist tie or Velcro strap so the cable can't slip back into knots. Make sure to plug in and test audio and the microphone. Intermittent cuts mean a remaining hidden pinch or internal break. If sound is inconsistent, isolate the affected section and rework that area. Sometimes a stubborn mini-knot near a connector is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.